Hi, I'm Pan Gangowski. I'm a young game developer from Poland. Currently, I'm developing Juice Empire mobile game, and I use Gdevelop engine for that. Recently, I've released my mobile game called Juice Empire, and I've got a lot of feedback, especially from my friends. Now, I'm back from vacation, and I'm full of motivation to make this game as good as possible. Let's get into the video. The first thing to improve Juice Empire was rebalancing research costs. Yes, again. Some of my friends played the game, and that's how I found out that it was too easy to unlock new types of juices, especially when the factory got more efficient. Another thing is bug fixes. There were a lot of bugs, but I was killing them as soon as I got to know about them. Then I decided to add more content not to make players bored. And I started by adding fertilizers to the game. Fertilizers will make your plants produce more fruits. There are three types of fertilizers. The first one that multiplies crops by 1.5, the second one that multiplies it by 2, and the third by 3. After a few completed orders, Olivia will introduce you to fertilizers, and at the same time they are unlocked. I also added an option to get some more fertilizers by watching an ad, and that's how we get to another topic. Better monetization strategy. I decided to give players opportunity to get some more money, gold coins, sugar, or even fertilizers. From time to time, a special offer is going to appear on your screen. You will be able to watch an ad to get rewards, but if you close it, it's going to disappear forever. Another feature my game needs are trophies that factory can get. So I added 7 trophies, 2 bronze ones, 2 silver, 2 gold, and the special one. You can get them for number of produced bottles, you can always check it here, and for completing orders. You can check the total number of completed orders here. I also added a notification that is going to pop up whenever player gets a new trophy. You can touch it and trophies panel is about to open. And that's how I finished version 1.1. Of course, it's not the end of the development. Now let's create another set of interesting features. The first thing in version 1.2 will be a carnival with special minigame and rewards. But let's start from the beginning. After completing 43 orders, special guest will come to your factory and place an order, not only for juices. When you complete it, he will set up his minigame, and that's the moment you can start playing. Minigame is pretty simple. You just shoot 2 mannequins and move away from balls of paint. You get points for every mannequin shot. After the game ends, you can see how many points you earned in total, and there are milestones. For example, if you get 300 points, you can get some money. As you can see, rewards are not always money. There is also something new, decor sets. There are 4 decor sets. You can get them only by playing this minigame, and you can switch between them here. Oh, and did you notice this button? Actually, it's also something new. The marketing system. There is a map and each point on it stands for one town. In every town you can purchase billboard campaigns, its price depends on the city, and open a brand store. Purchasing both will result in bigger popularity, what leads to higher earnings. Have you ever thought where does this path lead to? Spoiler. It hadn't led to anywhere, but now it changed. There is a hole in the ground. After some time, it will start glowing. That means you can enter the dungeon. And I'm not going to tell you what is inside. You will have to check it yourself. But it's something that is going to make your factory even more productive. On top of all this, I added some more short dialogues with Olivia and made some minor tweaks. That means it's time to publish version 1.2. I created a new trailer for my game and a few shorts for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok to make it a little more popular. If you haven't tried it yet, I recommend trying Juice Empire, and I would be very glad if you could rate it on Google Play. If you like the game, make sure to tell your friends about it. When it comes to the future development, I plan to update the game from time to time, but you shouldn't expect any more Juice Empire devlogs. See you in my next project.